I think he dropped it. Yeah, I think he dropped it.
You gonna die.
Nope. I got something on.
What they mean? Yeah, what they mean? I'm outside, how about game with the team, bitch? What they mean? We all lit, that's on game, that's on me, bitch.
A massive turtle. God almighty. I can't stand these jokers. Boy, I've been wanting to knock them off, but I ain't gonna do it because I love all of God's creatures. But geez, they're so annoying. And he's a big one too. Where did I hook him? Did you swallow it? Dang, bro. I think you swallowed that hook.